Okay, let's take a look at your schedule. So this is just a sample one, but you will have yours in front of you. If you do not have yours, you can go to the Tanglewood website and there is a link on there to find your personal schedule. But let's go ahead and figure out how to read this thing. So what you're going to see first, right, it's going to have 6S. Now yours might not say 6S. Yours could say 6I. So this would mean you're in 6th grade and you're in Innovation World. This is 6th grade Sustainability. So the other options could also be 7S or 7I or 8S or 8I, right? So the S's all have Ms. Phillips as your dean. And if you're in 8I, 7I, or 6I, then you have Mr. Maldonado as your dean. And so you would see his name over here. All right. That is not a class that you're actually going to go to. That just lets you know your dean. All right. So let's go on. We want to find our first period class. So this is 1A, or as we call it, A1, because we have block scheduling. We have A days and we have B days. And on your A days, you're going to go to this one right here, A1, A3, A5, A7. Those are your A-day classes. All right, so you have A1, A3, A5, A7, and you'll notice all those are the odd numbers. For your B day, it's going to be the evens, right? So you're going to have B2, B4, B6, B8. And if you see something like this where it says S1, S2, that's semester 1, semester 2. Right now you're just looking at the S1 because this is semester 1. It's the first 3 6 weeks, and then semester 2 will be the second 3 6 weeks. So just look at the S1 for right now. Okay, so we have our B day, B2, B4, B6, B8. All right, then we also have this enrichment course. All right, and your enrichment course, I believe, let me look at the schedule here. So you have enrichment on A days and B days. And I believe you also have it on Gator days. Yes, you also have it on Gator days. Okay, so let's talk about Gator days. So again, we have A day where we see our A classes plus the enrichment class. This is the enrichment class here. And B days with your B classes plus, again, that enrichment class. And then on Gator days, you see all of your classes. So on Gator days, you're going to go A1, B2, right? A3, B4. See, now it's actually going in order. A5, B6, A7, B8. Sorry, the paper was getting away from me. All right, and don't forget, when we look at the bell schedule, you'll see when the enrichment class is going to be put in here. For the first week of school, our schedule is going to go, because we start on Tuesday, that's going to be a Gator day. So you're going to follow this schedule. And then Wednesday will be an A day. Thursday, a B day. And Friday, sorry, my paper is moving around on me, back to a Gator day. All right, so if you're still with me, let's take a look at our bell schedule. So as you can see, A days, Monday and Thursday, B days, Tuesday and Friday, and Wednesday is that Gator day when you do all of your classes. And since we're starting out with the Gator day, let's just take a look at that one. So the first thing you're going to see is you're going to go to your A1 class. So first thing in the morning at 8:30, you'll go into A1, and A1 is going to go from 8:30 to 9:10. right? So you're going to have your synchronous and your asynchronous time. Again, that's A1. All right, and then at the end of that class period, then you're going to go to B2 because we're following all of our classes. And that's from 9:10 to 9:50. Then there's a break. Okay, now is when we're going to go to that enrichment class from 9:55 to 10:25. So the enrichment class is after B2. So if we look over here for our Gator Day, right in here, we have to make a little space. This is going to be that enrichment class. And who do you have for your enrichment class? Remember to look at your own schedule. Find that teacher's name, and then that's the person that you need to go see. So if this student has Miss Jacobs for enrichment, you would have, a different teacher. Then back to our schedule, okay, at the end of that enrichment class, then you're going to go into A3, right? At the end of A3, you'll go to B4, lunch, A5, a little break, to B6, a little break, and then to A7, your B8, and then at the end of that's office hours to go in and talk to your teachers. All right, so that is how to look at your schedule and the bell schedule, at least for the very first day.